Hi, welcome to my video on the second derivative, which we're going to denote by y double prime, and this is video number 2, the notation y double prime. If x squared plus y squared equals 4, show that y double prime equals negative 4 over y cubed. So we need to do the derivative. So without writing the equation down, I'll take it out from here. So d dx on this is 2x, and the derivative here of y squared is 2y, and it's normally dy dx, but we're going to call it y prime. Derivative of a constant 4 is 0, so that becomes 2y y prime equals negative 2x. So y prime is equal to negative 2x divided by 2y. So y prime is equal to 2's cancelled out, negative x over y. So that's the first derivative. Now let's do the second derivative. So second derivative is, this is the first derivative. So the second one is d dx again, but it's derivative of y prime is y double prime, and we do the derivative of this quotient. So the derivative of x is negative 1 times y minus negative x times the derivative of y. Derivative of y is 1, and it's y prime. And we have the denominator y being squared. And we simplify that, we get a negative y plus negative positive x y prime, and all over y squared. So notice we want y double prime to be in terms of, notice we got a y, so that means the x has to go. So that means we have to take the y prime. Y prime is negative x over y. Okay, we have the y prime substituted with negative x over y, and now we have to simplify. So we got a negative y, and this is positive times negative is negative, x squared over y, all over y squared. So to simplify this, I need to get rid of this fraction here. So we need to multiply by y. We multiply by y. I'll do it two ways. First, I'm going to do the easy way. I'm going to multiply each term of this expression by y. So negative y times y is negative y squared. And x squared over y times y, the y's cancel, and I get an x squared. And y times y squared is y cubed. So we have very similar to what we have here, only we have, take a negative out, we get a y squared plus x squared over y cubed. And if we want to, we can do the, so notice x squared plus y squared is 4, y squared plus x squared is 4, so if I want, I can change it around and go x squared plus y squared is equal to y cubed. So that means that we have x squared y squared is x squared plus y squared is 4, and we have it proved, or we show that we're doing a proof with the double derivative. So that works out. But I said I'd show this another way, and let's go up right here and take this expression and simplify it. So if I want, I could leave, okay, but this is easier to multiply each part by y, it makes it simpler. But if we didn't, let's create a fraction in the numerator. Let's create a single fraction in the numerator. So negative y is the same as a negative y squared over y. There it is. And now we can take that, and let's go right here. we can make that negative y squared minus x squared over y divided by, notice I got a long line there now. This is the line separating. So this is the numerator, which is a fraction, and the denominator. So what we have negative y squared minus x squared over y, and this y squared is over 1, so we multiply by the reciprocal, which is 1 over y squared. So that gives us negative y squared minus x squared over over y cubed, which is right here. So you could multiply by y and get this expression instantly, or you can work through like this to get the same expression, your choice. I find when I have fractions within fractions, multiplying by the LCD or multiplying by a term that eliminate the fraction, because remember that if you have a fraction within a fraction, you have a complex fraction, so make it so that you only have one fraction with no fraction in the numerator or no fraction in the denominator. So that brings us to the end of this video. And again, if you like my video, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, visit my math website, www.mathsfullyexplained.com, to find more information about me, my videos, and the content. The content on my YouTube channel called Math Fully Explained, just one word. Thank you for viewing my video. Hope the video helped you. Bye-bye.